Today we're going to look at an install of our new cold case aluminum radiator for our 2005 Pontiac GTO. Step 1. Remove your air intake. Stock air boxes will have to be disassembled as well. Next, locate the drain plug to start draining the coolant. Now, disconnect the fan shroud harness, which is located underneath of the ancillary hoses. Disconnect the ancillary hoses, followed by the upper and lower radiator hoses. Remove the lower plastic clip under the bumper. This is for easier access to the AC condenser clip, but not necessary. Disconnect the AC condenser from the top and bottom. The top will require the removal of two 8mm bolts. Remove radiator stays. At this point, if you have an automatic transmission car, you will remove the transmission cooler lines. Remove the fan shroud. Now it's time to pull the radiator out. Transfer the rubber grommets and the lower drain plug from the old radiator to the new one. Install your new cold case aluminum radiator from GTO-G8TA.com. Reinstall ancillary hoses, followed by the upper and lower radiator hoses. If you have an automatic car, now will be the time to reinstall the transmission cooler lines. Next, reinstall the two upper radiator stays. Reinstall the AC condenser. Reconnect the lower plastic clip under the bumper. Reconnect the fan shroud and the harness. Now, reinstall the air intake. Finally, refill the coolant, turn on the car, blast the heat, and check for leaks. For more info on cold case aluminum radiators and other products, go to GTO-G8TA.com or call us at 267-638-3500.